As the world leader in access equipment, JLG continuously innovates to solve customer challenges on the job site. Our team focuses on bringing you greater productivity, improved safety, and advanced technology with every product we introduce. Today, I'm going to show you the ultra-compact SkyTrak 3013 telehandler. Now, you've probably noticed that this doesn't look exactly like your typical telehandler, and you're right. This is the most compact telehandler we offer, and it provides a more versatile alternative to skid steers. Compared to skid steers, the 3013 gives you more reach and lift height, as well as more ground clearance and better terrainability. This means you can use it for landscaping and hardscaping applications with less disturbance to delicate ground surfaces. It can be used on confined job sites, especially in urban areas where a large telehandler isn't ideal. Designed to be lightweight and maneuverable, this SkyTrak model provides better mobility and easier transport than larger machines. In fact, you can transport this model with just a standard pickup truck and trailer. So what about the specs? This is where the SkyTrak 3013 offers big benefits over a skid steer. This machine has a 2,700-pound maximum capacity and 13-foot maximum lift height. That lift height is going to give you the range you need to access dump trucks and single-story houses. It also has a forward reach of 7 feet, which lets you reach into truck beds, onto trailers, and over obstacles. Plus, with its ultra-compact design, the 3013 lets you load or unload trucks in congested downtown areas with less traffic disruption. But the best part is that we've packed all that capability into a machine that weighs just 5,300 pounds. The 3013's lighter weight means it can be used in areas where ground disturbance is a concern, and you only need a standard trailer to transport it. Now, let's talk about power and operation. The SkyTrak 3013 has a powerful 24.8 horsepower Kubota diesel engine. This engine helps the machine reach a top travel speed of 10.5 miles per hour. And while operators are navigating the job site, its hydrostatic transmission gives them a smooth ride. It offers all-time four-wheel drive with two-wheel rear pivot power steering. Compare that to a skid steer's counter-rotating steering, and you're going to have much less ground disturbance with the 3013. Its rear-wheel steering is one of the reasons landscapers prefer this machine to a skid steer. To keep with the comparison, most skid steers have fixed suspension, but the 3013 telehandler has an oscillating rear axle that provides a smoother ride for the operator and the load. It also has more ground clearance, which means you get better terrainability over uneven surfaces while transporting materials. And speaking of the cab, this model has an adjustable suspension seat with an integrated armrest to keep operators comfortable. You can see that this model has an open cab, but we also offer an enclosed cab option for use in cooler climates. The single joystick proportional controls are simple to use, and you'll notice that this machine comes standard with our load stability indication, or LSI system. This system senses when the telehandler reaches its forward load capacity and notifies the operator. By eliminating the guesswork of handling loads, this system helps operators work with greater confidence. Next up, let's go over what telehandler attachments we have for this model. This machine has two coupler options, the JLG mechanical coupler or a hydraulic universal skid steer coupler. Our mechanical coupler is going to let you use JLG telehandler attachments. For this machine, we currently offer a standard carriage, pallet forks, and a material bucket. If you choose the optional hydraulic universal skid steer coupler, you can use skid steer attachments on the 3013. That means you get added cost efficiencies because you won't have to purchase the types of attachments you already own. Looking at the body of this machine, there are a few things I want to call out. First is the integrated tow hitch. You can see this on the rear of the machine, and it helps you haul tools around the job site. It proves very convenient when you have a lot of materials to move around. And second are the various tire options. The ones you see on this model are pneumatic ag tread, which are standard, but we provide 4 other options, including foam-filled ag tread, pneumatic non-marking, foam-filled non-marking, and turf tires. We can help you choose the right tire option, depending on the environment where your machine will be working most often. That concludes our walk around on the SkyTrak 3013 telehandler. I hope you've enjoyed this overview. This machine was designed for compact job sites and can replace skid steers during landscaping, hardscaping, residential construction, and industrial work. When you choose the 3013, you'll experience more reach, greater lift height, and enhanced terrainability versus a skid steer, all from a machine that can be moved with a standard pickup truck and trailer. To schedule a more in-depth demo, contact your JLG sales representative or visit jlg.com.